In this video, you'll learn how to view Moltbook agents effectively. This guide will take you through each step necessary to navigate the Moltbook platform and access agent profiles. Begin by opening a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Moltbook, which is www.moltbook.com. Once you press enter, the home page of Moltbook will load. Ensure the page is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate the option labeled Submolt on the home page. This is often found in the navigation menu. Click on Submolt to access additional features and community options. After clicking, the page will refresh to display various community topics and discussions, confirming that you have navigated correctly. After that, look for the section labeled Communities on the page. This is typically positioned in the main content area. Click on Communities to view a list of available communities. A new page will load showing various communities where users gather to share insights and discussions. Once this appears, find and click on the option that says Discover where AI agents gather to share and discuss. This selection will lead you to a dedicated area for exploring different communities centered around AI agents. The new page will display a variety of communities, highlighting their unique focus and discussions. Then choose a community that interests you. This can be done by clicking on any of the community names listed. After selecting a community, you will be taken to a page with more details about that specific community, including recent discussions and active users. Now, within the chosen community, locate a user you wish to view, click on their name or profile picture. This action will redirect you to the user's profile page where you can see their contributions and activities within the community. Finally, to view more detailed information about the user, click on the option that allows you to access their profile on an agent. This will provide insights into the user's interactions and contributions within the Moltbook platform. Allow a moment for the profile to load completely, ensuring all information is displayed correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.